Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Pinterest videos directly to your phone's gallery. So let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone and search for the video you want to download. For example, I'll search for some car videos, but you can choose anything you like. Once you find a video, tap on it to open it in full screen mode. Now, since Pinterest doesn't have a built-in download button for videos, we'll use a simple workaround. Tap the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen, and from the menu that appears, select the Copy Link option. This will copy the video's direct link to your clipboard. Next, close the Pinterest app and open any browser on your phone, Safari, Chrome, or whatever you usually use. In the search bar, type Pinterest Video Downloader and search. You'll see a few different websites pop up, but I recommend using pin-trestdownloader.com because it's reliable and easy to use. Once the site loads, you'll see a box where you can paste the link you just copied. Go ahead and paste it, then tap on the download button. After that, scroll down a bit and tap the Force Download button. The video will then start downloading to your device, and it'll be saved directly to your gallery or appear in your Downloads folder. Here's a quick tip. If you don't see the video in your gallery right away, open your File Manager or Downloads folder, and you'll find it there. From there, you can move it, rename it, or share it just like any other video on your phone. And that's it. You have just learned how to save Pinterest videos into your gallery. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.